Hey y'all, welcome back to the Eric and Tom Show. We're back and we're going to show you just what we got finished up for the day. We're done framing this bathroom tub set, diverter, drain, overflow, all that's hooked up. We're ready to go. Check it out. All right, so check it out. We got all the subfloor down. I want to show you a couple of things. So, number one, we are dead on, and I'm purposely crossing over two different sheets. So I wanted you to see everything. So we are dead on with the floor. It don't get no better than that right there. So we're ready for tomorrow. Go board's gonna go up. We're gonna get all that sealed, waterproofed. The board itself is already waterproof, just the joints, fasteners. And tomorrow we're gonna start tiling. So until the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon.